Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself am Vyakti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 16A of chapter 16 parallelograms. One question is written here, question number 9. In this question, in the joining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and line segments AE and CF bisect the angles A and C respectively. Show that AE parallel CF. Angle line segment AE bisect angle A and line segment CF bisect angle C. Students, let ABCD be a parallelogram in which AE and CF are the bisectors of angle A and angle C. Then to prove that AE parallel CF. So proof. Students, angle A equal to angle C. In parallelogram ABCD, opposite angles are equal, and AE is the bisector of angle A. So angle DAE equal to angle BAE. Suppose angle BAE equal to 1 and angle DCF equal to angle 2 and angle BFC angle 3. Proof. Angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles. That implies half angle A equal to half angle C. That implies half angle A equal to angle 1 and half angle C equal to angle 2. Equation 1. Since AB parallel CD and CF is a transversal, CF is a transversal. Therefore, angle 3 equal to angle 2. Angle 3 equal to 2, alternate interior angles. Equation 2. Equation 1 and 2. So now from 1 and 2. Students, equation 1, angle 1 equal to 2. Equation 2, angle 3 equal to 2. Equation 2 is equal to both angle 1 and 3. So angle 1 and 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. It is the pair of corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. If the pair of corresponding angles are equal, then given line segments are parallel. So AE, therefore AE parallel CF proved. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10. In this question, the lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16 cm and 12 cm. 16 cm and 12 cm respectively. Find the length of each of its sides. First of all, draw a rhombus. Let ABCD be a rhombus. ABCD be a rhombus. Its diagonal AC is 16 cm and diagonal BC is 12 cm. Diagonals BD is 12 cm. Diagonals bisect each other at point O. We know that diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So triangle AOB is a right triangle, and AC equal to 16 cm and BD equal to 12 cm. Diagonals bisect each other. So AB the side, all sides are equal. Diagonal bisect each other at right angle. So AC is 16 cm, so 8 cm. And BD is 12 cm, so it is 6 cm. In right triangle AOB, OA equal to half AC equal to 1 by 2 into 16 equal to 8 cm, and OB equal to half BD equal to 1 by 2 into 12 equal to 6 cm. So hypotenuse AB side equal to AB, AB equal to under root OA square plus OB square equal to under root 8 square plus 6 square under root 8 square 64 plus 6 square 36 equal to 100 equal to 10 cm. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 11. In this question, in the given figure, ABCD is a square. Find the measure of angle CAD. In the square, all sides are equal and each angle is right angle. So let angle CAD equal to x. Let CAD equal to x in right triangle ADC. In right triangle ADC. AD equal to CD. Sides of a square. Sides of a square are equal. AD equal to CD. Therefore, base angle CAD equal to angle ACD equal to x. Angle CAD equal to angle ACD. Base angle are equal because since AD equal to CD. Now angle CAD plus angle ACD plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property. That implies CAD equal to x, ACD equal to x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies 2x equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. That implies x equal to 90 degree by 2 equal to 45 degree. That implies angle x means angle CAD. X means angle CAD. Angle CAD equal to x equal to 45 degree answer. Understand and write it. Friends, next question is question number 16. Question number 12. The sides of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:4. The sides of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:4 and its perimeter is 90 cm. Find its length and breadth. So draw a rectangle ABCD. A B C D. Let length AB 5x and B equal to 4x. Let length equal to 5x and breadth B equal to 4x. According to question, perimeter of rectangle is 90 cm. That implies 2 into L plus B equal to 90. That implies 2 into 5x plus 4x equal to 90. That implies 2 into 9x equal to 90 equal to x equal to 90 by 2 into 9. 9 10 are 90 and 2 5 are 10 equal to 5. So find length and breadth. Therefore L equal to 5x equal to 5 into 5, 25 cm, and breadth equal to 4x equal to 4 into 5 equal to 20 cm. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 16A. Thank you. That's all.